Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February 11th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Saturday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and hope everybody continues to have a great rest of your afternoon. Okay, um, if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button today. Let's keep them numbers climbing, y'all. I'm ready to get on up there to that near that 1,000 subscriber mark. Hopefully very soon. That's what I'm hoping. So I hope everybody can spread the word about my forecast page and get these numbers to climbing. Okay, and I want to thank all my subscribers I got so far and everybody that's following my forecast on here. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. I'm gratefully to have all of y'all as supporters for my forecast channel. Okay, well, in today's video we're going to talk about the watches and warning map across the lower 48. We're going to take a look at the Columbia, South Carolina weather radar in our neck of the woods here. We're going to take a look at the snowfall predictions from the north from Greenville Spartanburg weather office for the western mountains of North Carolina. And also we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today and also for day 4 and 4 through 8. We have some severe weather next week that may be, could be some potentially dangerous situation next week for parts of the south and southeastern United States. I will continue to keep an update on this here. I'm just going to take one storm at a time. We're going to get this one out of the way before I focus on the next one. But we're going to go ahead and take a look at it so I can get everybody prepared for what to expect next week. Okay, let's dive on into the forecast now. Like I said, we're looking at the watches and warning map across the lower 48. Not too much happening across the nation here, except we got that winter weather advisory, winter storm warning for the mountains of western North Carolina, portion of eastern Kentucky, and also southwest Virginia, and portion of West Virginia as well. We have a wind advisory for a portion of East Alabama, much of Georgia. We have a flood watch and a few flood advisories in effect for southern Georgia and northern Florida. Severe weather will kick up later on this afternoon across northern Florida, where there's a slight risk of severe weather. We will get to that in just a moment. And we have a high wind watch up in high wind watch warning over Montana, and also portions of California there as well. All right, for everybody here in South Carolina, here's our local radar view. We're looking at a rain shield moving in from the southwest. It will continue to lift off to the northeast. Expect rain to continue to build in. Rain may be heavy at times. Plus, gusty winds is expected tonight and tomorrow as that low pressure system crosses central South Carolina and lifts on up into central North Carolina and then off to the northeast out into the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, I'm expecting anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches of rainfall across the forecast area. So there may be some flooding problems in a few low-lying areas. If you live in a low-prone area, might need to move to higher ground before the water gets too high, and also never cross flooded roadways as they may be washed out. Turn around, don't drown is our slogan during flooding events. Okay, as we move forward, we're going to take a look at the map for the western North Carolina. This is issued by the Greenville Spartanburg National Weather Service office. Give a thumbs up to y'all guys up in the Greenville Spartanburg area. Hope y'all watch my videos too. Y'all do a good job. Plus the ones in Columbia. All of y'all do a great job. Wilmington, Charleston, and any weather office across the lower 48. Give y'all a thumbs up, and y'all doing a great job. Everybody that does the weather on YouTube, y'all do a wonderful job as well. Give y'all a big thumbs up. If y'all can give my page, if y'all can give my channel a shout out, go right ahead and do it for me, folks. Okay, well let's get back to it. As you can see across a portion of North Georgia, there's a few little pockets of maybe, I'd say maybe up to 2-3 inches possible. You see a little 1 inch mark around, maybe up to an inch possible in Robbinsville. North Carolina, Franklin, North Carolina, 1 to 2 inches in Brevard, also 3 to 4 inches in Waynesville, North Carolina, maybe around an inch in Asheville, also maybe around an inch in Marion and Lenore. The heaviest precipitation will be 3 to 4 inches in Burnsville, North Carolina, and 6 to 8 inches in Newland. And on up toward Boone, y'all really gonna get hammered. I'm expecting maybe up to in y'all's area, maybe up to a foot of snow in some of the vicinities. And on the higher ridge tops of the mountains, you may get up to a foot of snow in some of that. But in the lower valley, your accumulation amount will be lower. And I'm sorry for anybody west of I-77. Like I said, I don't see no accumulated snowfall for you guys. You might see a few sleet pellets, a few snow flurries, maybe a snow shower, but anything other than that, it's just going to be mainly a cold rain. And everybody in central South Carolina, cold rain, same thing for us. Could be a few sleet pellets, maybe some grupple, or either maybe 1 or 2, maybe a few little snowflakes or something. But other than that, mainly a cold, heavy rainfall event. Alright, here's a look at the Storm Prediction Center page for day 1. This is our outlook here. As you can see in the lighter green, we have a chance of just general thunderstorms. The darker green is a marginal risk for severe weather. That's a category 1 on the scale. And this is a category 2, a slight risk on the scale as well. Okay, if you live in the cities of Tampa, Florida, St. Petersburg, Florida, Lakeland, Florida, Brandon, Florida, or Delton, Florida, you're under a marginal risk. And if you live in Jacksonville, Florida, Tallahassee, Florida, Gainesville, Florida, Clearwater, Florida, and Spring Hill, Florida, you're under a slight risk for severe thunderstorms. And the tornado probability, the 2% in the green, 5% in the brown, and the same areas. If you're in these areas here, Tampa, Florida, St. Petersburg, Florida, Clearwater, Florida, Spring Hill, Florida, Largo, Florida, you're under a 2% risk for severe weather today. And if you live in Jacksonville, Florida, Tallahassee, Florida, Gainesville, Florida, Arcola, Florida, and Lakeside, Florida, you're under a 5% risk for severe weather this afternoon. Okay, the wind probability, 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, and the 5% if you're in the following cities: Tampa, Florida, St. Petersburg, Florida, Orlando, Florida, Lakeland, Florida, Brandon, Florida. And if you're in the 15% risk, these are the cities included: Jacksonville, Florida, Tallahassee, Florida, Gainesville, Florida, Clearwater, Florida, and Spring Hill, Florida. And hail is less than 5% in all areas. Okay, we're going to take a look at day 5. Day 4, there's nothing on the map, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump to day 5. We have a 15% risk over northeast Texas, northern Louisiana, much of Arkansas, western Mississippi, and portions of West Tennessee. And this includes the 15% risk area if you live in these following cities: Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, and Plano, Texas. Be on the lookout for possible severe weather in your region coming up on day 5. And that will be Tuesday. Okay, now let's roll on to day 6. And here is day 6. We have a 15% in the risk area, extended all the way from Indiana all the way through Kentucky, Tennessee, much of Mississippi, northeast Louisiana, all of Alabama, and western Georgia. And if you're in the cities as follows, this is in the 15% risk area: Nashville, Tennessee, Atlanta, Georgia, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Fayetteville, Kentucky, and Birmingham, Alabama. And if you in this will be day 6 on the forecast chart. Okay, day 7. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center does not have anything for day 7 or day 8. See the potential too low for day 7 and again for day 8. Okay. Well, I hope everybody enjoy your rest of your Saturday. If, like I said, if you're a new viewer, have not subscribed to my channel, don't hesitate. Hit that thing. Get them numbers climbing. I want to thank like I said, thank everybody again for supporting my channel. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. And we'll catch you back in the next one.